Hello and namaste. Welcome to Embark College. Embark College, in an academic partnership with the University of Roehampton, UK, is established in Nepal to provide students with world-class education right here in Nepal. We are currently offering two business programs, one BSc Business Management and another Masters of Business Administration. Both of these programs are backed up with amazing research, amazing employability opportunities in Nepal. Our team of amazing experts of academicians and professionals will be taking the classes for students, providing them professionals and real-time knowledge inside and outside of classrooms. Our infrastructure is designed in such a way that it is an experiential learning for students everywhere inside the campus. The learning is not just limited inside the campus, but it goes beyond the campus, reaching out to corporates, reaching out to the industry, reaching out to organizations, and developing entrepreneurship at the key for students. Having said that, entrepreneurship built a nation is what Embark College believes in, and the whole team is there to welcome students in the college to provide all these experiences. Our Masters of Business Administration program is a 2 years comprehensive program topped up with placement. The first year is taught in class, where the second year is all about placement, where students would be working inside a company, solving problems of that company. And that is exactly an MBA should look like. And that is what we have been offering. At Embark, we have partnered with University of Roehampton, bringing together a world-class education from United Kingdom, providing students with not just academics, but extracurricular activities combined with skilled learning, and bringing together the corporates to teach students along with the academic professionals, the professors, the facilitators in the classroom. The classroom would not just be academics, emphasizing a lot about more towards the skill-based learning is what we are striving to do at Embark College. Embark College with a mission to bring compassion, sustainable growth into the students with the formula of education, not just academics, beyond academics for employability. From a very personal view that I have, education is all about employability, whether it be self, which is entrepreneurship, or it be being employed in any of the professionals, or it being employed somewhere in any of the companies or organizations. Embark College, together with amazing academicians in-house, working towards the development of students, not just academically, but holistically, with our student support services, focusing on mental health and well-being, entrepreneurship incubation, as well as skill-based, non-credited courses to make students focus on what is needed in the market. Embark College will work towards developing students' capabilities to either get into entrepreneurship, hone their skills, and get to the top of what they are dreaming for, as well as maximize their professional etiquettes to develop amazing professional standalone companies, as well as the corporate houses of Nepal. As an educational institution, we always have to thrive for increasing the capabilities of students, increasing the efficiency of educational means for students for developing what they need. Our academic team, led by amazing individuals who has an experience in the international education of Nepal and beyond Nepal, is working tirelessly to bring all of those experiences to the students of Embark College. We are not just limited to the students of Embark College. Our program thrives much more beyond than just our students and towards the educational ecosystem of Nepal, providing a lot of opportunities to the general fraternity of students and professionals for their professional and academic growth here in Nepal. And that is why we have been trying to provide study in Nepal with Embark College for world-class education, right here, right in Nepal. The biggest motive for Embark College to partner with University of Roehampton is to bring the transnational education experience for the students of Nepal. A lot of students travel all around the world just for education. We are here to solve that problem. Nobody needs to leave the country for just the reason being the world-class education. It can happen right here in Nepal, and that is an example that we are trying to create. With our linkage in industry, we are trying to provide a lot of employment opportunities to the students. Not only that, entrepreneurship is at the heart of Embark College. Embark College stands for Entrepreneurs Build Nation, and our entrepreneurship support unit at Embark College is working tirelessly to plan and develop programs which support students in developing their entrepreneurial venture inside the college, providing them a co-working space inside the college, and providing them with an amazing mentorship program. Embark College will be supporting every student for their needs of entrepreneurship development. Embark College is a joint venture between Golcha Group and Glocal Private Limited. This combination of 100 years legacy built up company Golcha Group and Glocal Private Limited, who has been working in terms of skill development and educational development in Nepal, provides a very cutting-edge solution to the students getting employment support, education support, and employability support. Our board of advisors, which combines of amazing industrialists and business persons in the country, are there to support students in the mentorship, support the college in the mentorship to provide world-class education, quality education in Nepal, and also provide opportunities for students in developing entrepreneurship as well as getting into employment.